Hey guys, welcome to the Joe the Auto Guy YouTube channel. Now, today, obviously the MR2, we need to get in the garage, but right now Project Subaru and construction and everything else is happening in the garage. So, winter is on the way. We're going to have winter real quick around here. It's currently like 35 degrees, but this week is supposed to be super cold, and we have a snowstorm on the way. The MR2 needs to get covered, and what better way to do that than a car cover I actually like. So, obviously you want your car covered so water doesn't get anything. I had to do a windshield repair on it this year, so we got some rotting right here that I had to take care of. But this leaks water. Not sure my drains are working. And I have a door that doesn't shut until I get it in to fix it. So, I've had some plastic covering it from the summer, but obviously the plastic has faded away. And do that. Some of it's still stuck on the car. But really, I just don't want debris happening all over the car. Now the way, you don't want leaves everywhere. It still fall around here, so yeah. Like I said, still have plastic covering it, but we want to get it sealed from the elements, especially snow and ice and everything else. That's why I bought a car cover from Carcover.com. Gold Shield 5 has shield from the elements, good rain protection, snow protection, elements, everything. So this is supposed to be a car cover that is easy to fit, easy to install. I'm just going to use my keys right now to open it. Came shipped 3 to 5 days. Let's see how nice she is. This is the storage bag. It's got a nice gentle fabric lining. We got some buckles right in the front. And I'm really sorry, but as you can see, the camera fell. But literally, from where it fell, this took minutes to set up. It's very easy once I had it the right direction, which you can kind of see. It's sewn right down. It fits the car very nicely. It actually goes with the stitchings. Actually go kind of with the body lines. It overall just stayed, stays in the car. And this is UV protection, everything else for the car. Quick snaps. It has a security cable you can do from underneath, but it literally just quick snaps. Below, you tighten it up. It's not just going to fly away. So, it's a car cover. It's fit and quality. It's great for a car cover. You'd put the security strap right underneath there. If you wanted it long term, we are shielded from the elements. That's what I was looking for. I didn't want rain or anything else going on in this car. So the car cover from carcovers.com fits the car super nice. It was really quick to install. Besides the lost footage of the camera tipping over, it probably took literally 2-3 minutes. And it's on there. The car's nice and covered. And we are sealed from the elements. I recommend it just because they said it was easy to install, took minutes to install, and it actually did. We'll see how the protection goes long term. So right now the MR2 is safe. So that is all for this video. Thanks for watching, guys. Can't recommend car covers enough right now for ease of installation. We'll see how it goes long term. We'll catch you guys in the next video.